Well, a lot of artists and performers of international repute are traveling to Shillong. And as you're aware, apart from Brian Adams, we'll be having Blue, another group which will be here on New Year's Eve. And right after that, in the month of February, we'll be having Ed Sheeran, one of the top performers in the world today. And this is all indicative of the interest that the rest of the world is showing in brand Meghalaya. We've done quite a few things which I believe is right and setting the ecosystem in place because tourism cannot develop in isolation. So what we have done is we have created the tourism circuits linking, as I mentioned the other day, we linking the various circuits beginning with Omyam. Any visitor to Omyam would be encouraged to visit New Shillong, then Sora, then Dauki, places like that. So at least 5 major tourism destinations will be linked as a circuit. That apart, we all are also, as you heard the Honorable Chief Minister announcing, that we are on making rapid progress on the expansion of the runway of the Shillong Airport. That will happen within the next 6 to 8 months. And we are confident that with better air connectivity, the inflow of tourists will grow manifold.